Hello, Nupik. Um, I thought I would show you some HTM Java demos. So in the July Nupik Hackers Archive, there is, a message here from David Ray. Tells you, hey, here's some demos. One of them is called Fox Eats demos, which maybe you're familiar with. It's one of the first popular demos we did on NLP using Cortical.io. David Ray works for Cortical, and so I'm going to show you how to run this. So you have to run it from the command line with a Cortical.io key. I have a Cortical.io key, I think, somewhere. I think it's called just Cortical.io API key. Here, let me find it real quick off the screen. There it is. Okay, Cortical API key is what it's called. Okay, back to you guys. Okay, so we're gonna run this demo. It's gonna look cool. I'll have to smudge that so you guys don't steal my Cortical key, so I know you will. Okay, let's go into Fox Eats. There should be a jar file here. And then I'm going to put my Cortical.io key right here. Cortical API key. I think this will work. Let's try. There it comes. All right. What does a fox eat? And I'm going to make this real big. Click Start. And now it's training. Input phrases: frog eat fly, cow eat grain, elephant eat leaves, goat eat grass, etc., etc., etc. It's feeding in all these things. Animals eat or likes other things. And then at the end, it will say, fox eats what? Let's see. Thinking. Answer, a squirrel. So, success. So we've got the fox eat demo in HTM Java. So that's cool. And then we also have the other one, which is breaking news. This came from the last hackathon, and I think it's pretty much the same command. This is from a UI perspective a lot more impressive, in my opinion, just because you get to see all of the cortical fingerprints. Cortical API key. And this is going to like scour Twitter. So we have some control here. I'm just going to hit start. It's on auto start. And so David would be able to explain what this is doing a little bit better, but it's getting like breaking news tweets from BBC Breaking and showing you the fingerprint of the tweets over here. I don't know what show activity means. Oh, there we go. So this is, you can either show what's the activity of what this app is doing or show the fingerprints. Fingerprints is cooler. So, and it's showing you the prediction of what after this sequence of tweet fingerprints, what it thinks is coming next. So this is interesting, especially because it's a combination of Cortical.io technology and HTM technology. So I usually don't leave this running for too long because it's pretty intense. Let's see how my cores are getting used here. It's not as bad as HTM engine if you're running hundreds of models, but still, I think this is a really cool visualization to show. I think Cortical.io word fingerprints or phrase fingerprints or just text fingerprints in general are just really cool to see. And this actually shows you a prediction of what it thinks is next, and then a comparison of what came next, is what it seems. So the prediction's really sparse. So I think that sort of tells us that it's not so sure about what's going on. But anyway, that's the demo. Oh, you can stop this and like switch over to manual and hit start again, and then just go like one at a time if you want to control stepping. But I usually just flip it to manual or auto. Anyhow, there you go. It's an example of some of David Ray's HTM Java demos. I think the UI is really nice. David, what do you use for UI? Is this what is it called? FX, something like that. Some Java UI tech. Anyway, take care. See you all later.